Can you use your phone? Cinque ipe sue.
Can I have a glass of water?
Oh, okay, sure.
What are you doing?
Well, you
No, that's what it means in Chinese.
What?
Cinque ipe sui.
Oh, yeah, I know. The glass of water's for me.
Sure it is.
Hey, it's getting late. What? We haven't had lunch yet, have we?
Where is Mum?
She went shopping. That must be her.
What are you doing with my hair clip?
Hey, that's mine one.
Come on, you're not going to fight over a hair clip, are we? We need to get something to eat.
Dad, I've stepped in the neighbour's dog shit again.
Right, that's it. Let's go round there.
I need my pills.
You have to clean up after your dog, you know. It's not the first time.
Can I smell it? It's on my dog.
Yeah, well, you just be careful, eh? Come on, girls. It's locked.
I've got a key.
Hang on.
They've robbed us.
Okay, they robbed us. Quick. Back off, girls. Back off. Come. Can we use your phone?
Somebody's coming.
Ah, must be the thief. Okay. Don't look at him. Don't let him see your faces. Okay, come.
Hey, 1650. Thank you. Do you know them, lot?
Yeah, they're my kids. Dinner is ready!